In front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening settings and scrolling to click on Fingerprint, Face Data and Screen Lock. Now you need to hit Face Unlock under Screen Lock. Quick tip, if you don't have Screen Lock, you need to set it up to continue, because your POCO won't allow you to have Face Unlock feature unless you have Screen Lock on. So once you do, hit Face Unlock and enter your screen lock. Then hit Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen after hitting Next. Then name your face data however you want to. Hit OK. Done. And last but not least, make sure that unlock using face data is enabled. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. So now when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!